Hello everyone, I am Manisha Pawar. Today we will discuss on the methods in a Java. First of all, we talk about the what is a methods. Method is a block of code which runs only when it called. You can pass the data, it's called the parameters in a methods. The methods used to perform the some certain actions is called the functions also. Why we uses the methods? If some functionality is performed at many locations in a softwares, then rather than writing the same code again and again, we create the methods and call it everywhere. It reduces the code redundancy. Method makes the method makes the maintenance of the code easy. We have the changes of one locations. We use the future function to change the everywhere. Methods make the code readable and the easy understand. Then we discuss on the declarations of the methods. First we define the return types of the methods. The return types could be int, float, string, and any possible data types. The return types it depends on the which kinds of the data it could be the returns. In Java, one special kind of return types is called the void. The functions, if the functions cannot return any value, in that case the return type of the functions is the voids. Void means it can't return the any value. In Java, firstly we learned the methods which called the public static void main. The return types of the main methods is always the voids and it's compulsory to write the main methods in the beginning of the programs. The main method means it's the facial methods in a Java as computers start the running the code from the beginning of the main methods. The main method is treated as the entry point in a programs. Then we discuss on the method signatures. Every methods have their method signatures. It's the part of the declarations of the methods. The method signature includes the method names and parameter list. Everyone have the questions about the what is the parameters. Parameters is also known as the arguments. Every method takes some parameters as an input. It specifies the their data types. The methods is always the parameters in methods always specified the after the method names. You can add the multiple parameters and we can just is separated by the using comma. Then we discuss on the access specifiers. The access specifiers or modifiers is the type of access methods. The access specifiers is the visibility of the methods. Java has the four types of access specifiers. First one is the public, private, protected, and the default. When we declare the method as the public, we can access it everywhere in the class. Then protected. If we declare the methods as the protected, you can access is the same package or the subclass of the different package. Then private. If we declare the methods as the private, we cannot access its the methods in everywhere, but it access only where in which it declares. Then default. If we cannot use any access specifier, the type of the methods is by default. Then we discuss on the types of methods. There are two types of methods in Java. First one is the predefined methods and second one is the user defined methods. Let's talk about the predefined methods. The predefined method is a method it's already defined in the Java class library, is also known as the standard class libraries and the built-in the classes. When we want to use the already predefined classes, you can call it the any point of any point of times. Some methods of predefined are the length, compare to, equals, square root. If you call the predefined methods in your programs, series of series of code related to these methods is running on the background of the this store in that class library. Every predefined classes have their own classes. So, for example, if you use the print methods, the class of the print methods is the java.io.printstrings. The print statement is used to print the statements. For example, if you declare the print java, it returns the java on the consoles. Then user defined methods, the methods that we create that the users or program created is known as the user defined methods. When you want the changes in the user defined methods, you can change it as your requirement. Thank you.